fun it is, yeah.
But the last time I rode one of these types of bikes, a DT, and going out to Paris, and there it was.
Yeah, you're so full of fucking shit. Trying to just sell the fucking bike. Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
And I think you're going to take in fact, it doesn't matter what you ride.
Yeah.
When you watch the 16-year-olds, they'll ride it like stuff.
Yeah, totally.
20 minutes while I was dodging around Pakistan.
Yeah. I love it though, because on this you can use all the power. I mean, how many times we get on a bike like we have the R1 and the 6
yeah, use all the power. It's a 125. I guess the fucking can, motherfucker.
Probably about 15-20% of their potential is that. These things, you can literally wreck the arse off it and have a lot of fun.
The fact is, when you've got full license, pretty much most of the
Yeah, it's gonna drag your big fucking ass around. The fuck do you think, bitch? Fuck!
It is, you feel like you're almost like in a 4x4 bike, but the beast from the riding position.
Yeah, it's so small, huh? It'll fit right up your ass.
Nothing's gonna get in your way. I did a couple of bands as well.
Don't get me wrong, fucking DTs are alright.
Up to 50, 40 miles an hour.
But
the fuel economy, well, you gave it to me, 2 weeks before Christmas, after thanking. It's got down to the last bar on the fuel thing. I've done a good under,
Man, it's supposed to put some fucking gas in it, motherfucker. I gave you the fucking bike to try. Put it back, bring it back with a fucking tank.
Why don't we do it in the road?